lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I'm currently using onion juice to regrow my hair after I had it chopped off. From my relaxed long hair to this short natural hair, it's barely 1 month I had it chopped off, and I'm going to regrow it using onion juice, and in 6 months we'll see what it will look like. Here is a bulb of fresh onion. See, the onion is so fresh, and I'm gonna be blending this in a blender and extract the juice from it. I'm gonna be applying the entire juice on my hair. Onion juice improves hair growth by boosting the level of the antioxidant enzyme catalyst. It nourishes your hair follicles, and its rich content of sulfur. This rich sulfur content also helps in minimizing your hair thinning and breakage. Well, I'll be applying this juice twice a week, so I choose a particular day of the week I'll be applying it, Tuesday and Saturday. If you also want to get rid of dandruff, onion juice is your best plug. All right, let's keep watching. Alright guys, I'm practically massaging the onion juice onto my scalp down to my hair, and I'm gonna be leaving this for just 1 hour before I wash off. So you can add onion juice to it twice a week or even every day, so long it doesn't exceed 1 hour. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please share my video with your friends and families, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you soon.